my name is Yolanda Montes, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a chicken salad. The chicken salad, you can eat it with tostada or crackers. I prefer tostadas because I like tostadas. And then now I'm going to show you how to prepare the chicken salad. For this chicken salad, I use 2 pounds of chicken breast. I boil it with one whole onion, 4 garlic cloves, and salt. And right here I boil carrots, 3 carrots, 3 potatoes, and this amount of chickpeas. And then this is apple, cut it in half. This is parsley. This is celery. And this is a dressing. This dressing has like a half of mayonnaise, sour cream, a half of a spoon of mayonnaise, a half of a spoon of sour cream, and a half of a bar of Philadelphia cheese, and a little bit of black pepper. So now I'm going to mix everything. I just need my spatula. So I'm going to use this spatula to mix everything. First, I'm going to put the carrots and the potatoes. I think this is enough for that. And then this is apple. This is apple. This is chickpeas. I love chickpeas. This is parsley and celery. And this is the dressing. I must see it. I love this salad. It's very good. It's healthy too. It has chicken breast, which is protein. And it's easy to prepare it. And I think anyone can prepare this salad. And you can eat it in any occasion. And these are the tostadas. I prefer this kind of tostadas. The brand is Maizada. And then I think they're like very crispy, very good. I like them. So this is my chicken salad. And ready to eat.